Imagine having a data analyst at your disposal who works around the clock, doesn't take any PTO, and is available to assist at your beck and call. That in a nutshell is Semaphor AI, a human assistant who is not only technically savvy, but also understands the business context under which you operate. We've designed this experience to model real-world scenarios, prioritizing transparency and accuracy when it comes to extracting insights from data. And it follows a simple pattern: SAVE, which stands for suggest, articulate, verify, and execute. Let's walk through it step by step. When you ask a question to Semaphor, Semaphor suggests and proposes you a method of solving that question. It explains the different steps it has taken to come up with that solution, so you can verify the business logic that's being used, and also gives you the chance to fine-tune it before you consent and execute that logic. These steps are important when you're doing any real-world tasks of analyzing data. Now, you may have seen demos from other vendors who magically turn a question into a chart. That approach hardly ever works, because in real world, you want to model your analysis around business concepts that are specific to your organization. And you want those concepts to be taken into consideration when you ask a question. Semaphor helps you do precisely that. Let's check it out. Now imagine we are working for an e-commerce company and we are looking at our sales data through this surfboard. We can see average profit by state, orders by ship mode, and few other insights. And now let's say we want to find out how many monthly active users we saw in 2023. So how do we go about answering that? Because monthly active users mean something very specific for your organization. So we need a way to model that. Let's first go ahead and add a new card. Open that up in Explorer view. Once you're here, you can start by typing, show me the customers with more than 3 orders in the month of 2023. Now let's go ahead and enter that. As you can see, Semaphor comes back with a query for us to run. Let's go ahead, give it a quick run. As you can notice, now we have the number of customers who have purchased more than 3 orders in a month for 2023. Pretty good. We can flip back into the tabular view to see the column and the number of customers. Now we can define this as one of the business concepts that we want to refer to in our future analyses. To do that, let's come here and press on the plus button. That fills in the SQL query that we just ran. All that's left for us to provide is the name and the description of what this concept means. So let's do that. Looks good. Save the change. And now that concept is available for us to refer in our future analyses. Now you can come here and click on concepts to see the monthly active users we just defined. Now, once you've defined a business concept, it's super easy from there forward to refer to that context directly when you ask questions in Semaphor. So let's see an example. We can add a new card here, and this time we're going to simply ask, show me the monthly active users for 2021. Let's go ahead, give it a quick run. And you can see Semaphor gives us the query, and it also explains what that query is doing. All that's left for us to do is hit run, and now we have the monthly active users for 2021. We did not have to explain that a monthly active user means any user who has purchased more than 3 orders in a month. Semaphor knows that. It learns from the business concept that we just had defined. So that's how easy it is for you to express your business concepts in Semaphor and use those concepts when you're asking questions of your data. Now, you can even do something more sophisticated as linking multiple concepts together. So here, for the sake of time, I have gone ahead and created another concept called heavily discounted products, which is any product that is sold at more than 50% discount. So you can see now we have 2 concepts, monthly active users and heavily discounted products. Now let's see how we can make use of these in our next question. Now you can come in and say, show me monthly active users for 2022 only for heavily discounted products. So let's type that out. Press enter. That's all it takes. Now you can see we have a query here that takes into consideration both of those business concepts. It is accounting for heavily discounted products, and it's also counting only the customers who have purchased more than 3 orders in a given month. Let's go ahead, give it a quick run. And there you have your answer. You can quickly go ahead and add that to your dashboard, and you can refer to this insight going forward. Everything that you saw today is available to you as an integrated experience in Semaphor and also via APIs. At Semaphor, we're building a customer-facing analytics solution that allows you to seamlessly integrate data-driven insights and analytic workflows into your business applications, so your users can make smarter decisions and have access to better insights at their fingertips. If you liked what you saw today and want to get in touch, please drop us a note or send us an email.